Oh, it was wonderful. I've never done anything like it, but I just absolutely adore talking to young people, engaging other young people.
I'd say coming towards the end of the project that I know a lot more about other people's views and the barriers that young people face to being sustainable.
But there is hope. Initiatives like free school meals for primary school children are making a difference, providing nutrition and easing the financial burden on families.
I really enjoyed meeting a lot of new people because I just made some friends and we just went to the photo booth together and it was so fun.
Well, take some advice. On a moonlit night, listen for sounds that scratch at the sky.
I just got out of the workshop with the Welsh laureate poetry author. He was really good, very friendly. We wrote poems ourselves about finding our inner peace.
I'm the Minister responsible for children's rights, and that's about making sure that your rights are protected and respected.
In terms of tackling poverty and in listening to you and engaging with you, it's the responsibility of every minister in the Welsh Government because it covers everything.
We'll make sure that you guys get answers to or are involved in those conversations, you hear what comes out of those conversations, you hear whatever changes as a result of those conversations.
We settled on our big question: how is the cost of living crisis affecting young people being sustainable in Wales?
Very proud to be Chief Exec of Children in Wales, very proud to be here today for the launch of this wonderful chunky tome. It felt like such a good fit with what we're trying to do with the strategy. We've set out our vision here, building a Wales where all babies, children and young people have all of their rights fulfilled.
So peer research is about us young people being able to take research into our own hands. We can make reports, talk to Welsh Government, really important people. We can make a change.
Start asking the young people around you, what would you like us to do to involve you and include you?
And I hope you're going to send a copy of this to every member of the Senedd. It's incredible.
I'm actually missing sociology to be here, so...